Good evening, panel. Myself Kshitij Sharma, and we are from Team Shiledar. And here are my team members Ashutosh Tabale and Ram Shekde. So, our problem statement is preventing women from safety threats. So, the concerning problem of crime against women in India is showing a concerning trends in various categories of women problems. So, this was the flow that existing system 112 and other government platform had, where the system was reactive one. Instead, we want to make a system that is proactive, means that analyze something that is happening before the event exists, and alert should be generated and should be given to both police room and the CCTV control room. So this has the aim with that we are protecting women from various possible threats by taking advanced surveillance and multiple analytical solutions. So these are the challenges that existing system that detecting and interpreting of suspicious activity, the limited surveillance devices, and increased response time. So these are the gestures that we will be covering. So we have multiple cases in which we have two cases where the women will be surrounded by web surveillance, and in another case where we don't have any web surveillance. So the plan A will be properly for web surveillance for police control, and second will be our app that will be personal for user interface. So now we will be showing some of the demo to you.
So this is the demo of how our project will analyze gestures and generate a particular alert. So now in the frame we can see there are three men surrounding to a particular woman. So this generates a yellow alert. So our next step is to detect the gestures. So this is how our system detects unusual activities such as fight, chain snatching, and related activities, which generates a orange alert. Here we can see how it is generating a orange alert as there is a fight scene in the movie. So the next part will be explained by my friend Kshitij.
So as we have seen how the alerts has been generated to real time. So what happens when alert is generated? So the next task is automatically assigning those nearest law enforcement services and the medical enforcement services to the nearest locality of the user. So when we have multiple cases, in that case, the police dashboard will be seen in such case. So we have divided into three zones: red, orange, and yellow. Red consisting the most number of crimes, and yellow consisting the least number of crimes. For this data, we have analyzed multiple research papers and multiple theoretical things. So as we have seen the case where web surveillance is present. So where what if we don't have web surveillance? So we have plan B, that is our Raksha app. So in which we have two cases where the female is feeling that she can be hurted, but in that case she can turn on the Raksha mode. Whereas in another case where she is actually feeling threat, in that case she can directly turn on the SOS mode. So now we will see the app of Raksha mode. So when the user will turn on the Raksha mode on will be done, and a live location of the user is being seen on the map. So continuous pop-up that are you safe or not safe is being generated. So in the theft of the user can snatch the phone and directly write that she's safe, but we have taken a security pin, that is USP of our application, and we have taken this security pin from the user while signing up. So when she can turn the wrong pin, so wrong pin has been generated. When she turn on the right pin, so right pin has been generated, the continuous pop-up, she can alternatively tell that after how many seconds or minutes she wants these pop-ups, the type of threat that she's feeling, and after that if she isn't feels that she is in danger, she can directly turn on the SOS mode, and SOS has been generated and website the SOS will be seen. So the alert will be seen onto the website after the location fetches. Yes, the SOS has been seen onto the website. The SOS alert has been sent and server to the server, and the configuration message that the SOS has been sent is seen to the user. And continuously, the message of the user to emergency services has been shown that she needs help and the location of her. So this is the SOS mode. Yes, the thread type. This is the SOS mode. So this is the dashboard where we have multiple options. This is the user information, and this is the enable in our app. This is enable shake SOS button where the user can directly shake and the SOS has been generated, and see the SOS has been generated to this area, and the nearest next nearest to the area will be allocated, and this is automatically, we are not doing it manually, we are automatically assigning this. So this is one of the USP of our project. So here all the SOS alerts detail will be generated here, and the location of the user can be seen here. This is the location of the user. I live here. So this is the info, distress info and event details. This is the coordinate ID, means the operator who is seeing this event ID, the time of the event, and the priorities and all the things of the event. So this is the map analytics. We have used these analytics through ML models, and various research paper have given us these data. So in this type, we can tell the user that, tell the web surveillance that uh, the particular area is assigning multiple crimes in a day, and in a way when we have multiple SOS alerts, so in that case we the zone will be shifted from orange to red, like we can see the demo. First it was 99 when the SOS has been generated by the app, or some to as next SOS in 100, and we have considered for now the parameter of 100 cases. So in the 101 it will cross the 100, it will automatically switch to red zone, and the police can understand that we have to see this area, and we can do the multiple things. Thank you so much.
So this is the tech stack that we have used in the project. So for app development, we have used for front end we have used Flutter tool and Dart as the language, and for backend we have used Node.js, Express.js, and Socket.io. For the database, we have used MongoDB. And let's move on to the web development part. For the front end, we have used React.js. For backend, we have used Node.js, Express.js, Socket.io, and Flask. And for the database, again we have used the MongoDB. And for the artificial intelligence and machine learning part, we have used TensorFlow Lite, YOLO V3, ONGs, and YOLO V8. For training the models, as we don't have the access to the sensitive details of the incidents, we have trained our own models by using images and pictures from the old movies and old songs. And for the purpose of training our models, we have also created our own example videos so that we can train our model on the basis of the videos that we have created.
So this was our idea for preventing the women from safety threats, and saving one life is also very important to us. That's why thank you, panel, and we hope that you like our project.
Thank you.